It's a back side of the body bag. It's 80 plus 20, 100 GSM laminated, non-woven, the virgin quality body bags. It has 3 double panel belts at the back, total 8 handles. This is the front side. The width is 4 feet, and the length is 7.5 feet. It is 4 feet by 7.5 feet, 2.5 by 1.5 meters. Then we have a 2 by 2 feet, that is called 24 inches by 24 inches face exposure 15 sheet, PVC one. Then we have a D-shaped zipper. It can take the capacity up plus 150 kg. It is a heavy duty bag.